Here's 3 easy ways to boost your confidence on Zoom calls. All right, we have all been there. You've got this big virtual meeting happening and you're a little nervous about it because maybe you're intimidated by the tech, maybe you're not used to being on camera, maybe it's just a really high stakes call. But with these tips, we can make sure your confidence is ready to go. You can knock this out of the park. I believe in you. The more you practice, the more comfortable you're going to feel. That goes for everything. If you have a presentation where there are specific points you need to hit, then rehearse them. That's totally okay to rehearse them. You can do this in front of the mirror, or you can even record yourself with your camera or using Ecamm. And this way, what you're doing in Ecamm is used as your presentation in Zoom, and you know exactly what you're doing. You know exactly what it looks like before you get to the actual call. And get your virtual meeting Zoom call set up together, because that is going to boost your confidence, because you're going to get on that call and you're going to look better than everyone. And they're going to be like, whoa, this person knows what they're talking about, because look at this, look at all this, look at all that. When you look and sound your best, your confidence is naturally going to soar. Whether you're using a simple setup or you're using a whole studio setup, taking the time to get it right and making it look nice is going to completely change how you present yourself online. Work on those camera angles, work on the lighting, get your audio together, and you can use tools like Ecamm to make sure your presentation just looks choice, looks delicious, looks wonderful, looks so good. So you've done your rehearsal, you got your presentation looking the way you want to, but before you go live, let's do a little positive self-talk, okay? I always love a little pep talk. Confidence is not something that someone can give you, but you can give it to yourself. Give yourself a moment, remind yourself of your strengths and why you're the person to be delivering this information, or at least why the information's useful or interesting, or why they need to know about it. Don't just read the words off your script or your slides. Like, actually have a conversation, because you're a human, they're a human. Let's just be humans. With a little practice, some positive self-talk, and the right tools, you're gonna be rocking and rolling these Zoom calls, baby. And if you want to know a little bit more about how to get Ecamm working in your Zoom calls, just let us know. We'll help you out.